Hello, good morning, students. Hope you all are fine. So, today we are going to discuss some MCQs on work, power, and energy. Our first question is: work is said to be done when the body is displaced, that is, an object is in motion. Our next question is: the answer of first question is option number B. Our second question is: SI unit of work is Joule. Our next question is: whereas the Newton is the SI unit of force, Watt is the SI unit of power, and Pascal is the SI unit of pressure. Moving on to next question, question number 3. Which of the following is not a form of energy? Is not a form of energy. काइनेटिक एनर्जी होती है, पोटेंशियल एनर्जी भी होती है, थर्मल एनर्जी भी, यस, बट नॉट द वर्क एनर्जी. देयर इज नो सच थिंग एज वर्क एनर्जी. So the answer of our question will be option number D. Our next question is: the ability to do work is known as power, and power is given by work done divided by time, also called as rate of doing work is known as power. So our next question is about power. Power is defined as the rate of doing work. So answer of question number 5 will be option number B. Our next question is question number 6. The SI unit of power is Watt. Option number B is the correct. So our next question is: which of the following is an example of potential energy? Potential energy is the energy possessed by the body by virtue of its height or change in the shape. So in the option number C, it is given that we are stretching a spring. If we are stretching or compressing a spring, we are changing its shape, so energy set up inside it that will help the spring to regain its shape. So answer of this question is option number C, that is stretch spring. So our next question is: kinetic energy depends on, the formula of kinetic energy is half mv square. So kinetic energy depends upon mass and velocity. So answer will be option number A. Our next question is: law of conservation of energy states that energy can neither be created nor be destroyed, but it can be converted from one form to another. So option number A is not correct. B is also incorrect. So the correct answer is option number C, that is energy can be converted from one form to another. Our next question is: which form of energy is associated with the motion of the object? With the motion of the object, energy of that moving object is called as kinetic energy. Option number C is the correct answer. Our next question is: the energy possessed by the body due to its position or configuration is known as potential energy. So the correct answer is option number B, that is potential energy. Our next question: work energy theorem states that work is always equal to the change in its kinetic energy. So the correct answer is option number D. Work is equal to final kinetic energy minus initial kinetic energy. So our next question is: the energy stored in a compressed spring is an example of. Here we are changing its shape, so the answer will be potential energy. Option number B is the correct answer. Our next question is, the work done by a force can be zero if work can be zero if the displacement of the object is zero, or if the force applied is zero, or if the angle between force and displacement is 90 degree. So we have to check all the four options given. So the option number D, which says that force is applied perpendicular to the displacement, then the work done will be zero. So it is the correct answer. Option number D. Our next question, the efficiency of a machine is defined as the work efficiency of a machine. So the formula of efficiency is output power divided by input power. Our next so the option number C is the correct answer of the given question. Next question, the rate at which work is done or energy is transferred is called as power. Option number B is the correct answer. Our next question is, work done against the force of gravity is equal to the change in its kinetic energy. Option number A is the correct answer. Our next question is, which of the following is a non-renewable source of energy? Non-renewable source of energy are fossil fuels. That means these are limited in quantity and it takes a lot of time to recover. Our next question is, the potential energy of an object at a certain height above the ground is given by mgh. Here m stands for the mass of object, j is acceleration due to gravity, that is 9.8, and h is the height to which the object is raised. Our next question is, the total energy of a closed system remains constant according to the law of conservation of energy, which says that the energy of an isolated system is always conserved. Our next question is, which of the following is a unit of energy? Work done and energy are treated as approximately the similar quantities because how much energy is available will decide the work done, or work done will be equal to the energy spent. So the SI unit of both quantities are same, that is joule. Our next question is, which of the following is an example of renewable source of energy? That is natural gas. No, that is geothermal energy. Our next question is, the work done by the force can be negative. Work done can be negative if body is displaced opposite to the direction of force applied. So the correct answer will be option number B. The force is applied in the opposite direction to the displacement. Our next question is, the amount of work done on an object is equal to force multiplied by the displacement. Option number A is the correct answer. Here one more thing, that in this question option number 1 and option number D, A and D are same, there is no difference in them. First say force multiplied by displacement, last say displacement multiplied by force. So both are the correct answers. Our next question is the rate at which work is done is equal to rate at which work is done is equal to work upon time. That is work upon time, and so no option is correct in this question. So moving on to next question. This question is all options are not correct. Leave this question. Our next question is which of the following statement is true regarding the conservation of mechanical energy in a system? That is, mechanical energy is always conservation of mechanical energy is same as the conservation of energy. So option number D, mechanical energy can be converted to another form of energy but the total energy remains the constant. Our next question is which of the following is an example of mechanical energy? That is gravitational potential energy. Our next question is unit of power is defined as watt. Our next question, the machine with an efficiency of 100% implies that machine is operating at its maximum potential. But in reality, no machine can be 100% efficient. There are some losses like heat loss, sound loss, heat loss, and there is some production of sound which also uses energy. So output can never be 100%. In the next question, work done by a force can be positive if force is applied in the same direction as that of displacement. Option number A is the correct answer. Moving on to next question. Which of the following is a unit of power? SI unit of power is watt. Our next question is the energy possessed by the body due to its motion is called kinetic energy. Option number A is the correct answer. Our next question is the work done on an object can be negative. This is again repeated question. Work done can be negative if body is displaced opposite to the direction of displacement. If body is displaced opposite to the direction of force applied. So option number D is correct. Our next question is the rate at which work is done is equal to. That is rate at which work is done. It means power, and power is equal to force. Work done divided by time. Work can be written as force into displacement divided by time. So another formula of power is force into velocity. We will check force multiplied by displacement is not power. Force divided by displacement is not power. Displacement divided by force is not power. This question is again repeated. Our next question is 35. Which of the following is not a type of potential energy? Radiant potential energy. There is no such kind of potential energy. Our next question is the energy possessed by an object due to its temperature is called thermal energy. Option number C is the correct answer. Moving on to next question. which of the following is an example of work being done? सो इस क्वेश्चन में पूछा गया है कि किस केस के अंदर वर्क हम मान के चलेंगे कि हुआ है. सो ऑप्शन नंबर सी सेज वी आर लिफ्टिंग अ बुक फ्रॉम द ग्राउंड एंड प्लेसिंग इट ऑन द टेबल. We displace the object using some force, so there is some work done. In first question, displacement will be 0, so no work is done. In next question, carrying a heavy load without moving, also displacement equals to 0. In the fourth case, holding a book in your hand, displacement is 0. So answer 37th question is option number C. Our next question is the efficiency of a machine can be greater than 100% if the machine is violating the law of conservation of energy. So the option number D is correct. Our next question is which of the following is not a renewable source of energy? That is nuclear energy. Our next question is the work done against friction is always negative. Our next question is work done by a force can be 0 if option number D is the correct answer. The question is again repeated. This says that force is applied perpendicular to the displacement, then the work done will be 0. Our next question is so it is given that output power of a machine is 500 watt and its efficiency is 80%. So what is the power input of the machine? We know that the power we know that efficiency is equal to output power divided by input power. In this question we are asked about input power. So input के लिए फॉर्मूला हो जाएगा हमारे पास output power divided by efficiency. So we have to multiply 500 by 100 500 multiplied by 100 divided by 80. We have to calculate the answer. Moving on to next question, which of the following statement is true regarding energy transfer in a system? एनर्जी ट्रांसफ़र से रिलेटेड हमें क्या ध्यान रखना होगा? ऑप्शन नंबर सी में लिखा है कि एनर्जी कैन बी ट्रांसफर्ड फ्रॉम वन फॉर्म टू अनदर बट द टोटल एनर्जी रिमेन्स द कांस्टेंट. That is the correct answer. In the next question, which of the following is an example of conservative force? That is gravitational force is a conservative force. Our next question, this question is again repeated, so leaving this question, moving ahead. The energy possessed by the object due to its position or height is called potential energy. Our next question is which of the following statement is true about energy conservation, energy conversion? That is option number C, which says energy can be converted from one form to another but the total energy remains the constant. Our next question says work done by the force can be positive if the force is applied in the same direction as that of displacement. Our next question is the energy possessed by an object due to its motion is known as kinetic energy. So we have done 50 questions on work, power and energy, which is an important topic of physics. So thank you.